Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between MailerLite versus Beehiiv. Which platform offers better value? Well, choosing the right email platform is crucial for connecting with your audience. Both Beehiiv and MailerLite offer powerful tools, but they cater to slightly different needs. So let's break down their features, pricing, pros and cons, and help you decide which offers better value for you. You can find the links to both services down in the description so you can check it out right after this video. Now, when it comes to the features, Beehiiv is a flexible newsletter editor with automated landing pages, built-in referral system, advanced segmentation, SEO-optimized website builder, and paid newsletter subscriptions, among other interesting features. MailerLite, on the other hand, has a user-friendly interface, easy automation, high deliverability, advanced website builder, high converting landing pages, and of course A/B testing. Now when it comes to the pricing, Beehiiv has about 4 different plans. When you're just starting up, you have the launch plan that is actually free. You can have up to 2,500 subscribers, unlimited send, and basic analytics. The scale comes at $43 per month with paid subscriptions, ad network, email automations, among others. Then you have the max at $96 per month. Among the features, you have audio newsletter, removing Beehiiv branding, and priority support in times of trouble. And if you're thinking bigger and you need a bigger plan, the Enterprise is great for large audiences with specific needs. The pricing is custom, so you'll need to contact Beehiiv for your quote. And then you have MailerLite. Now with MailerLite, the pricing comes at free, growing business, and advanced. The free is of course at $0, and you could work with up to 1,000 subscribers, 12 monthly emails, and 1 seat. The growing business comes at $9 with 3 user seats. This means that you and 2 others can actually use the account to work as a team. Then you have the advanced at $18 with unlimited monthly emails and unlimited user seats. Both the growing business and advanced have a 24/7 support. However, the advanced has a better option as you have live chat and email support, leaving the growing business with just email support. Now, when you scroll up, you can see that these prices can change as you increase the number of your subscribers. So do take note of that as you're planning ahead. Now, when it comes to our recommendation for Beehiiv, the scale plan's strategic inclusion of monetization and automation tools offer significant growth potential for creators at a compelling price point. So you might want to check that out. On the other hand, with MailerLite, the growing business plan is recommended as it provides additional features for businesses focused on revenue generation through email. And now to the pros and cons, starting with Beehiiv. Beehiiv has a flexible editor, referral network, SEO optimized website, and paid subscriptions. MailerLite, on the other hand, with the pros, has affordable, easy automation, user-friendly, strong landing pages, and A/B testing. On the flip side, with the cons, Beehiiv has fewer newsletter templates. It also has a less intuitive automation and a steeper learning curve. MailerLite can be tedious in creating landing pages, and the dashboard is considered as less accessible. The analytics, while there, are basic and can get expensive as you scale up. In conclusion, both Beehiiv and MailerLite are strong platforms, but they cater to different priorities. Beehiiv is well suited for creators focused on building a community and monetizing through paid newsletters. MailerLite shines with automation capabilities, ease of use, and affordable pricing if you're just starting out. And this makes it a great choice for businesses focused on email marketing for revenue. Don't forget to check the link to both Beehiiv and MailerLite in the description below. And if you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.